sinner. God don't know what me in, I'ma pray for forgiveness. Sometimes figure judge I want me trigger finger.
Me up your body now, packing up. Lift up my mouth, can't tell me damage up. Hey, come bossing us heavy, you know the ratical spray.
Do a life in the database in a me phone. Live a yard like my day in the snow. Jam cup blood for me ring, you see them no rich.
They try to stop me from do what I want. Me and you know them love you can't give me no talk. Just to be myself and
Body like this, body like this, something like live. Mother chrome skins, look on the Benz rim. Boy Chanel Lambo, I push a voltage.
Me full me neck with ice, it look like pepper light. We reach a 7 night, me drink the Henny white. The girl like catch a vibe, me cocky will a light.
Ellie Ford, Rich King, Rey Rico, Big Ford, where you from America? We's a fortune, here we go.
Raw step like Johnny Walker, sick in our head mad like John Carter. Contract killer go fi boy pan charter. Hot black.
Japan pose, you can't see me in no Japan clothes. A German cars, the Bandali and a Ballandor. Ballandor.
That's a couple milli, US dollars and it cannot fit in on your belly. The DG and them will never want people see me. Pussy wall who never want the job.
Vybz Kartel has been the most powerful man in the music business since since 2008, right after when he clashed with Mavado. Even in jail, he's ran the music business.
Oh yeah, verse after verse after verse, I've been hearing it.
And the streets.
Yeah.
So this is a different type. We're not talking about locking El Chapo up in like in some like max prison over here where like he don't talk to nobody. Vybz Kartel recorded song after song after song. Like, Tory's late to the recording songs in Jail Parade. Like, Vybz Kartel was recording all type of... He went live in jail. Chilling. You get what I'm saying?
No, that first show is going to be nuts.
Well, here's the thing, though. And I'm honestly worried for him. His influence is way more than any particular person on the island of Jamaica. If he says A in a cultural perspective, and the government could ban it, they could say B, his voice is the most important, singular most important thing. Like he controls like half the country in terms of influence. That powerful. It was better for the government when he was incarcerated, because yeah, he's still gonna do some stuff, but they don't get to literally see this guy, and either way they're screwed because it's gonna be martyrdom.